Alright, so I was supposed to stay another night in Austin and then leave on Sunday, but I've kind of decided that, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and head out. I'm actually going to go up and visit a buddy who just moved to Dallas, and I rented a hotel there, packing up now, and gonna head that way. So let's go. All loaded up and ready to go. You ready to go to Dallas? What'd you think, yeah?
After getting checked in and unpacking slightly since I was only staying for one night, I took Prue on a short walk to explore the city, and then it was time for my friends to pick me up. They picked me up and took me to a place called the Pecan Lodge. It was a barbecue place, and my God was it good. After dinner, they showed me around the city a little more and took me out to a couple of their favorite bars. While we were out and about, I actually met somebody from my hometown. The guy standing to the right of me is Joel. He had just moved there a week prior. He's actually the brother of a guitar player I used to be in a band with. Every now and then, if our drummer couldn't make a show, he would sub in for us. The craziest part about running into him was that he actually knew everybody else from my group too, and I actually only knew one other person. They had all interned together at State Farm. It was definitely a small world experience.
Had a lot of fun last night. Thank you to everybody that had me while I was down here. I had a great time, but it's time to pack up and end this journey and head home. Let's start that day.
My drive back home from Dallas was 11.5 hours, so it wasn't any short trek by any means. But it was going to feel like nothing after the evacuation traffic from Hurricane Ida when I was leaving New Orleans. After getting through St. Louis, I was back home in Illinois.
Well, finally back home. I'm super happy to be home, but I'm definitely excited for my next big adventure. I'll tell you guys more about that at the end of this video. Here are some stats for my trip. In total, I was on the road for about 2.5 months. I drove my car a little over 3,600 miles, rode my bike a little over 120 miles, evacuated from Tropical Storm Fred and Hurricane Ida, was stuck in a 24-hour traffic jam, and genuinely had some of the most fun in my life. And the fact that I could take Prudence with me on this entire journey just made it all the better. For the first time for her ever traveling, she did amazing. I truly believe she began to love it just as much as I did. One failure I wanted to talk about was the busking aspect of the vlog. I really wanted to make playing guitar in the street a bigger part of the vlog, but I quickly found out that I was woefully unprepared for that task. My amp was barely loud enough to keep up with street noise, let alone the other buskers that I ran into while I was traveling around the country. Plus, being able to move my gear with my bike across the cities that I visited didn't really work out as well as I had planned. I figured out everything that I need to do to make this work in the future, so I'm really excited to give this another try. On the positive side, since that was a little less of a focus on the second half of the trip, I feel like I was able to develop a lot more as a photographer, video editor, and just general storyteller. And I genuinely feel like the quality of my content has greatly improved over the entire trip. And being able to create something that I'm way more proud of and that I actually feel positive in sharing has made me so excited. I just can't wait to learn more and create more content and share it all with you guys. And finally, I just wanted to say that I met so many amazing people on this journey. In a time where it feels like everyone's so divided, it was amazing to just go out there after being locked down for so long and meet all of these amazing people and develop new friendships all the way across the country. I can't tell you how much that actually means to me and restored so much faith in humanity and restored my spirit. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time when I head out to New Mexico to visit some family, explore the mountains, and attend the world-famous balloon festival in Albuquerque, New Mexico.